All right, let's unpack this. We're in this era where artificial intelligence, well, it isn't just science fiction anymore, is it?
Not at all.
It's a daily reality. It's touching every part of our lives, so how do you actually keep pace?
Yeah,
It feels like every single day there's a new headline, maybe a new breakthrough, or, an entirely new challenge. So here, we're going to try and cut through that noise for you, our listener, whether you're maybe a student mapping out your future career or an IT professional just navigating this incredibly rapidly evolving landscape.
exactly. And our mission today really is to get you well informed and quickly. We've gathered a pretty substantial stack of sources, everything from cutting-edge industry roundups to some really deep MIT research, and we're meticulously extracting the most important bits, the nuggets of knowledge and insight. We want you to understand not just what is happening in AI, but crucially, why it matters to you. So our discussion will span everything from, say, the new AI tools landing right in your pocket to the really complex ethical questions facing the industry. And we'll always be focusing on how these updates are already proving incredibly helpful and maybe what the road ahead looks like.
Okay, let's kick things off then with what might be most immediately impactful for many of us. The AI-powered tools, the ones showing up in our everyday
hmm
devices, sometimes subtly, sometimes, not so subtly. From our smartphones to language learning apps, AI is making some genuinely bold moves. It's simplifying and dramatically enhancing how we communicate, learn, even how we express ourselves.
What's truly fascinating here, I think, is just the sheer speed. How quickly AI is becoming seamlessly embedded into our routines.
It feels like it's accelerating.
It really does. Take Google, for instance, their new AI features in Google Translate. They're transforming it into a genuine language
A
tutor.
tutor, not just translation.
No, much more. Imagine this. Live audio translation, okay, across over 70 languages, plus an interactive practice mode that actually adapts to your skill level in real time.
Wow.
So it's not just about translating a menu anymore. This is like a full-fledged learning companion right there.
That's genuinely revolutionary for students, grappling with a new language, or really for anyone working in a global context.
Good.
Imagine having a real-time conversation or practicing for an important meeting just right there in your pocket with an AI adapting as you go. That's huge. But it's not just about overcoming language barriers, is it? AI is also kind of quietly, but very effectively polishing our writing too.
Absolutely. Android's new AI writing tools integrated right into Gboard, they're a game changer.
In Gboard, so like on the keyboard itself.
Right there. They offer sophisticated tone revision so you can instantly make your text more formal or maybe more expressive or even just more concise. Plus, you get the intelligent spelling and grammar fixes and like comprehensive message proofreading. And the real kicker, all this processing happens directly on device.
Ah, so not going up to the cloud.
Exactly. Which is a significant win for privacy, right?
Right.
It's like having a personal, always available editor, making sure your emails, reports, maybe your academic essays are not just error-free, but, perfectly pitched.
Mhm.
And hey, for a lighter touch, even the Emoji Kitchen is getting updates, letting you browse and remix unique emoji suggestions, adding a real creative spark to your chats.
Huh. Okay.
And we're seeing this elsewhere, too. Devices like Honor's new Magic Pad 3 tablet are boasting upgraded AI features designed to make daily life smarter, more efficient. Think enhanced multitasking, personalized recommendations, that sort of thing.
So if we step back a bit, what does this all signify for us, for you listening?
Yeah, what's the takeaway?
It means we're getting more intelligent, context-aware assistance exactly where we need it most. It's about making us more productive, sure, but also enabling new kinds of creativity and really streamlining how we communicate and learn day to day. These aren't just flashy add-ons, are they? They feel like genuinely helpful integrations that fundamentally transform our digital interactions.
Couldn't agree more.
Now, for those of us fascinated by the how behind the what, let's pull back the curtain a bit. Let's talk about the specialized AI chips making all these on-device innovations possible.
Ah, yes, the silicon.
These aren't just faster processors in the old sense. They represent a fundamental shift in what our devices can actually do, processing AI directly on the hardware itself.
But how are these chips actually achieving this leap?
It's a good question. It's not just raw speed, It's about specialized architecture, how they process AI tasks differently.
Right.
So in 2025, we're seeing major advancements. Companies like Apple with its A19 Bionic, Qualcomm with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Google's Tensor G5, MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 and Samsung's Exynos 2400. These chips are purpose-built for on-device AI.
Purpose-built. Yeah.
Take the A19 Bionic, for instance, which we expect in the iPhone 17 series. It features a significantly enhanced neural engine.
That's Apple's term for their AI hardware, right?
Yep.
Exactly. It's their dedicated hardware for accelerating machine learning tasks. Crucial for generative AI features, advanced computational photography, sophisticated natural language processing. This means your phone can handle these complex AI operations without constantly needing to send data off to the cloud.
So we're talking about things like more personalized experiences, maybe professional-grade photos, smarter voice assistants, all happening directly on our devices, without sending as much data out.
Precisely.
That's not only a huge boost for speed and responsiveness, right? But it also significantly enhances user privacy and data security. That seems huge.
It is huge. And look at Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. It has its custom Orion CPU built on a 3nm process.
3 nanometers, that's incredibly tiny.
It is. Think of it as the size of the transistors on the chip. Smaller transistors mean you can pack exponentially more processing power into the same space.
Yeah.
It makes it vastly more efficient, more powerful. This chip promises exceptional graphics and has an enhanced hexagon processor that's Qualcomm's specialized AI engine. A dedicated part of the chip, finely tuned for those complex calculations that generative AI demands, like creating text or images from scratch, right on your device.
Right.
Google's Tensor G5, likely coming in the Pixel 10 series, is also embracing a 3nm process. Their focus seems to be on improving Google Assistant live translation, computational photography. Then there's MediaTek's Dimensity 9400. It's already launched, actually. Uses an innovative all-big core design. It's 8th Gen NPU.
NPU neural processing unit.
Correct. Dedicated hardware built specifically to accelerate AI and machine learning tasks. It has significantly outperformed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in some AI benchmarks. This shows really impressive on-device AI processing for things like LoRa training. Yeah, it's a method for quickly and efficiently fine-tuning large language models right on your device.
Yeah.
Or generating high-quality video without needing cloud access. It's powerful stuff.
Okay.
And Samsung's Exynos 2400, with its deca-core setup and an AMD RDNA 3-based GPU, promises a staggering, like 14.7x improvement in AI performance over its predecessor, directly supporting large language models locally.
So these chips aren't just performance bumps, they're fundamentally shifting the whole paradigm of AI, aren't they?
That's a great way to put it.
We're moving from a purely cloud-dependent model maybe to a hybrid one, where complex AI computations can increasingly happen locally, right on the edge.
Exactly, a hybrid approach.
The strategic implication for IT professionals listening must be significant. It decentralizes processing, reduces latency for critical edge applications, offers new models for data sovereignty. That could be a huge competitive advantage, right?
Absolutely. And for students, this signals a shift. Where will the most exciting development work be happening? It's moving into on-device model optimization, securing these distributed AI architectures, pushing the boundaries of what portable devices can actually do.
Fascinating.
Indeed. But these powerful chips inside our pockets are clearly pushing the boundaries of what our individual devices can achieve. But for AI to truly transform industries, societies, it needs infrastructure on a completely different scale.
Right, it's not just the phone.
No. We're talking about the colossal data centers, the power plants being built globally to support this whole revolution.
That's a crucial point. It's the massive unseen infrastructure supporting the entire AI ecosystem. For IT professionals listening, understanding this global infrastructure race seems absolutely vital.
It truly is. We're seeing a global race to build out this back end, a massive investment in the physical foundations of AI.
Like what?
Well, OpenAI, for instance, is reportedly planning a colossal 1 gigawatt AI data center in India.
1 gigawatt. That's
Right.
enormous.
It is. It's their first in the country, specifically to support its growing services. It just highlights the enormous power demands of advanced AI. Or look at the UAE. Abu Dhabi's G42 isn't just building a massive computing campus. They're also strategically diversifying their chip suppliers beyond NVIDIA, actively engaging with AMD, Qualcomm, Cerebras Systems.
That sounds like a smart move, avoiding vendor lock-in.
Exactly. Resilience, tapping into specialized hardware for different AI workloads. Smart strategy. Even Elon Musk's xAI is planning to build a dedicated overseas power plant just to run a staggering 1 million GPUs.
1 million GPUs. Wow, that just underlines the incredible energy requirements.
It really does. And Google, too, investing $9 billion in new AI data centers in Oklahoma, this global infrastructure race. IT professionals need to track this, not just for forecasting cloud costs, right?
Yeah, it's bigger than that.
It dictates the entire future of AI deployment, scalability, even how we manage energy resources going forward.
And for students, I guess this opens up huge career paths. Data center optimization, green computing, supply chain management for all this high-tech infrastructure.
Absolutely massive opportunities there.
Okay, so moving beyond our personal devices and the big tech giants' strategic moves, AI is already making some truly profound differences across various sectors. For students listening, these are the areas that might very well shape your future careers. And for IT pros, these are invaluable case studies in AI's transformative power. They show how this technology can deliver real, tangible value.
And a key consideration here is precisely where AI is creating the most significant practical value. Where is it really helping? We're
Right.
seeing truly game-changing breakthroughs in healthcare, for example.
Like what specifically?
Okay, researchers at West Virginia University, they developed AI models capable of detecting heart failure in rural patients using remarkably low-tech ECG data.
Low-tech ECG.
Yeah, and actually outperforming traditional, more complex systems. This is hugely impactful for underserved communities, where access to specialized care is limited. It effectively democratizes early diagnosis.
That's incredible.
And there's a new machine learning platform called Vaxier. It even outperformed WHO recommendations in retrospectively predicting flu vaccine strains.
Really? So potentially faster, more accurate vaccine selection.
That's the potential. Could have massive public health implications. We're also seeing miniature AI-powered cardiac imaging cameras revealing hidden coronary risks, and AI systems assisting in breast and lung cancer screening with incredible accuracy.
Leading to earlier detection.
Exactly. Early detection means significantly better patient outcomes. These are life-saving applications.
Those healthcare breakthroughs are genuinely inspiring. They really show AI's potential to bridge critical gaps in access and accuracy. That's profoundly beneficial. But beyond saving lives, many organizations are looking to AI just to make their daily operations more efficient. What are we seeing there in terms of enterprise automation and productivity for, say, IT professionals right now?
Well, we're seeing enterprise automation on a massive, almost unprecedented scale. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff recently revealed something pretty stark.
Oh, yeah.
The company cut 4,000 customer support jobs. That's nearly half its team, after deploying AI chat agents that now handle half of all customer interactions.
Wow, 4,000 jobs. That's significant.
To the stark illustration, right, of how AI can dramatically boost efficiency. It lets the remaining human teams focus on more complex, high-value issues. But it also raises big questions about workforce reskilling, the evolving nature of jobs, both for students entering the workforce and professionals needing to adapt.
Definitely food for thought there.
And look at Tokyo-based LayerX. They just raised $100 million to scale their AI-powered back-office automation platform for finance, HR, procurement, streamlining those routine, often time-consuming tasks.
Right.
AWS is introducing agentic AI capabilities. Think of these as AI programs designed to act autonomously, automating complex, multi-step business processes from start to finish.
Agentic AI, so AI agents doing complex workflows.
Pretty much. And sales platforms like Outreach are leveraging AI agents for everything from initial prospecting to consistent follow-ups. Even the U.S. Space Force is planning to embed AI tools across routine operations to enhance decision-making, optimize resource coordination.
So AI isn't just about making things smarter. It's fundamentally making core processes way more efficient, from critical medical diagnosis to complex space operations, even streamlining foundational network infrastructure. These shifts are going to define the next decade for IT professionals, wouldn't you say?
I think so. What truly stands out is the practical, scalable nature of these applications. In healthcare, AI is bridging those gaps in access and accuracy. That's transformative. For IT pros, the move towards agentic AI, plus things like robust private 5G networks, it means systems are becoming more autonomous, more intelligent, more capable of handling complex workloads. It frees up human expertise for more strategic tasks.
You mentioned private 5G there. How does that tie in?
Well, these connectivity advancements are truly foundational. Think about Celona's cloud-controlled private 5G platform, AerFlex. It reduces deployment times for private networks down to hours. Or Jio Platforms in India, launching 10 live 5G network slices for real-world applications, IoT mission-critical communications.
So the network is the enabler.
Absolutely. Imagine the most powerful AI model. It's largely useless if the data can't get to and from the device or data center quickly, securely, reliably. Private 5G especially enables that incredibly low latency, high bandwidth communication within an enterprise's own walls.
Which is crucial for...
Crucial for real-time AI applications. Autonomous robots in a factory, maybe augmented reality in complex surgeries, even smart city management. The network underpins it all.
Okay. Of course, with all this great power comes great responsibility. AI's rapid advancement isn't without its significant challenges, is it?
Not at all.
There are serious ethical debates, regulatory shifts are happening, profound societal impacts, things we all need to understand to ensure AI is truly beneficial in the long run.
And if we connect this to the broader societal picture, one of the most pressing concerns, as we touched on, is AI's impact on jobs.
Right, the Salesforce example.
Exactly. Cutting 4,000 support jobs is a stark illustration. AI automation is already replacing white-collar roles. This fuels these ongoing debates about technology's toll on employment.
Yeah.
For occupations once considered pretty safe, teachers, journalists, lawyers, even programmers.
Yeah.
This isn't some distant future concern anymore. It's a present reality.
Yeah.
It demands a reevaluation of our education systems, our economic models, both for students entering the workforce and professionals needing to adapt.
That's a tough reality many students and professionals are already grappling with. This need to constantly upskill, understand where their expertise fits in this new landscape. And then there are the very human safety and ethical concerns, like that deeply tragic lawsuit involving ChatGPT you mentioned earlier.
Indeed, a wrongful death lawsuit filed against OpenAI, alleging ChatGPT coached a 16-year-old towards suicide. It's heartbreaking.
It is.
OpenAI acknowledged that its safeguards, well, they can sometimes become less reliable in extended interactions. They're now planning new safety measures. Age verification, parental controls, direct crisis response tools to connect distressed users with professional help.
That seems critical.
It underscores the critical need for not just technically sound AI, but ethically designed AI, and robust safety protocols that really anticipate potential misuse or unintended harm. We also see issues around data ownership, intellectual property, Anthropic settling that class action lawsuit from authors claiming their pirated books were used for training.
Right, the training data issue.
This could set a huge precedent for future litigation, effectively defining new norms, maybe compensation models, for AI training data practices.
And governments around the world are clearly starting to step in now, trying to create new rules for what many have called this Wild West of AI development.
Yeah, the regulatory landscape is evolving fast.
This structure, while probably challenging to implement, feels absolutely vital for guiding the technology's responsible evolution.
Yes, it is. China, for example, has enforced a sweeping AI content law. Requires all AI-generated content, text, images, video, audio to carry clear, visible tags and hidden digital watermarks.
Watermarks, too. Interesting.
Yes, it's a global precedent for transparency and accountability for AI-generated media. In the U.S., discussions are ongoing, complex, weighing federal versus state AI regulations. The White House is actively pushing for AI education initiatives, like the Presidential AI Challenge for K-12 students, recognizing the need to prepare a future generation. And beyond regulation, just the sheer computing resources required for advanced AI. They're raising significant environmental impact concerns, pushing tech giants like Microsoft and Google to partner with nuclear energy providers for more sustainable, high-capacity power.
Nuclear power for data centers.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. And we even see geopolitical impacts affecting deployment. Russia mandating pre-installation of domestic apps, Apple preparing to go eSIM only in many regions. It highlights how national interests and market access intertwine with these tech advancements.
This all paints a picture of a future where the undeniable benefits of AI are just deeply intertwined with complex ethical, economic, societal challenges. Challenges that all of us, as individuals, professionals, citizens, need to navigate carefully, proactively.
Well said.
What an incredible deep dive this has been. From, AI tutors making language learning more accessible right in our pockets, to specialized chips enabling privacy and power directly on our devices, and those genuinely life-saving medical applications. AI is undeniably helpful. It's rapidly transforming our world.
No doubt about it.
But we've also squarely faced the serious ethical, economic, and societal questions it raises, from job displacement to critical safety concerns.
It's clear, isn't it? Generative AI isn't just another technology. It is the next truly transformative innovation platform. It's permeating every aspect of our lives and work. For students and IT professionals listening, understanding these updates isn't just about staying current. It's about preparing for the future, actively shaping it, and ensuring its responsible deployment. We're seeing shifts not just in the AI models themselves, but in the underlying infrastructure like 5G, like satellite connectivity, which will fundamentally change how these powerful AI capabilities are delivered and consumed. It's opening up entirely new frontiers for innovation.
So, what does all of this mean for you personally as you're listening right now? The integration of AI into our world. Well, it's not a passive event that just happens to us.
No, you have to engage with it.
Exactly. It's a dynamic, powerful force demanding our attention, our critical thinking, and perhaps most importantly, our active participation. As you move forward from this deep dive, maybe consider this. How will you leverage these powerful AI tools to innovate, to solve problems, and to drive progress in your specific field? And maybe just as importantly, what crucial role will you play in ensuring that this transformative technology develops in a way that truly benefits all of humanity?